Hey guys, how are you? Cameron here. Today we're going back to basics and I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs quick, easy and efficient. I was having a chat with the producer the other day and he was telling me that when he eats scrambled eggs he cooks them in the microwave, and I was a bit shocked, a little bit disgusted, and I think it's absolute garbage. So today I'm going to show you how I can cook scrambled eggs in a pan quicker than they can cook in a microwave. All we need is 2 eggs, some thickened cream, salt, pepper and butter. So first thing we're going to do is going to crack our eggs into a bowl, season with some salt, and then we're going to add a tablespoon of thickened cream. Then we're going to mix it up until we get a nice consistency. So you can use a blender, a fork. I just use a fork because we're only working in small quantities here. So you want it to all come together. Just keep mixing until you've got a consistent color. You won't see any white streaks from the cream through it, and you'll be left with that. This is again what I want to show you, the difference between cage eggs, free range eggs. Now, time to go. I'm going to put my toast in. I'm going to turn my hot plate on, and then we're going to go. Never put one of these bad boys in the microwave. I bought this induction top to work closer to the camera, and induction burners, the way they work is they only work with certain metals. None of my fry pans are those certain metals. So I found a pot and that works, and that'll be fine. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to it, scrambled eggs in the microwave, and then we're going to kick on. Just going to put them in for 2 minutes. Start them, then first time working with this, so I'm just trying to find a good setting. Butter in, eggs in, we're just going to mix that round. So you just want to keep moving it around, because what you don't want is you don't want any color or brown on the eggs. You just want it nice, evenly cooked on a low heat. And I got 45 seconds to go still. And you always take the eggs off before the end, because you don't want to overcook them, and the heat that's already in the pan will carry through. So there we have it. This was ready before this. That is scrambled eggs. That is a crime against humanity. As always, the only way to serve scrambled eggs is with some toast. If you check out one of my other videos, you can see how I made this easy confit garlic and rosemary focaccia.